Now, in an exam, we may be asked to use a pair of compass, ruler, and a pencil to construct special angles. Okay. Now, the first type that we're going to be constructing is a 60-degree angle. Okay. Good. Now, let's say I have a line segment, so let's get out our ruler. Good. So here we have our rule. Now, let's say we're using a line segment of 6 cm. Alright, so let's just draw that quickly. I'm starting at 0 and I'm going up to 6. So I'm stopping there. Now, let's give our line segment a name. Let's call this line segment AQ. Okay, so that's our line segment AQ. Now we're asked to construct a 60-degree angle at the point A. Alright, so this is pretty easy. You just take your compass. Let's get our compass now. Yes, this is our compass. What you're going to do, okay, let me use red for my construction lines, because remember, when you're drawing construction lines with your compass, they should be faded lines. They shouldn't be as bright. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my point, the tip of my compass, at the point A, because we were asked to construct the angle at the point A, a 60-degree angle. Now I'm going to open my compass. I'm going to open it up. It doesn't matter now. You open it up to any radius. It doesn't matter. I could stop there or I could come out here. It really doesn't matter how wide you open it. One thing I used to tell my students is that just open it to a radius that you're comfortable with. Okay, so let's say I'm comfortable with this radius. So all you're doing now, from this point, I am going to swing an arc in that direction. Cool. Now after I've swung my arc, I am going to take up my compass. Please now do not allow your compass, the radius of your compass, to shift. You must maintain the same distance. Once you start working with a distance, you can't afford it, a radius rather, you can't afford it to shift. So I'm going to take my compass and place it at the point where the arc that I swung first cut the line AQ, the line segment AQ. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to swing an arc now from there, and where that arc cut the first arc, now I'm going to draw a line. I could use my ruler, but for the interest of time, I'm just going to use some of my tools here. Now I am going to use my ruler and draw a line from A going through the point of intersection of both arcs. Okay, and if you should measure that angle, you would get an angle of 60 degrees. So that's it. That's how easy you construct a 60-degree angle. Bye bye.